Today, guys, unusual. I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of how to make thumbnails. Probably the easiest. And yeah, so I'll put the link in the description of this game. And okay, when you spawn in, you should see all of these. Choose a background, but I definitely recommend the green screen. So go over to it. You can either click on this button or in here. I'm just gonna click on this button. Okay, now select this. Now select the second item, and then select any of your bodies, and it will do whatever you want. Make your own animation, and yeah, that's pretty much all. I already made my animation, so yeah. And then you need to go to Pixart, and then click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now go on your channel and then go click right here and then click on YouTube Studio and then click on content. Not done with my YouTube video yet, so yeah. So click on this three dots and click on the second one, upload file. If you see one like this, just click right here. And that's all. And then you should have your new thumbnail. That's all for today's video. I hope it helped yours in some case. So yeah, that's it. Bye.